I'm repairing a damaged section of wood siding with Aqua Resin's Putty W. This is a two-part, non-toxic composite resin that you can use for furniture repair or home repair projects inside or outside. You mix the two parts in a disposable container or a rubber cup. I'm creating a frame with a piece of wood and I'm wedging it in place. I'm going to be mixing this in a mud and more mix ball. It's a non-stick mixing ball. Pour your liquid in first and then add the powder. You want to mix it to a peanut butter-like consistency. Once it's mixed, you have a 10 to 15 minute working time. It takes about an hour or several hours to fully cure depending on the temperature and the humidity, and you can tool it and shape it during that drying process. Once it's fully dry, you can sand it like wood. Once it's fully cured, you can paint it with an exterior paint.